Do you wake up feeling tired every single day?
Or do you start your morning full of energy and ready to go?
Some people have a perfect routine.
And some people are just trying to survive the day.
So, which one are you?
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Daily. Today, we're talking about daily routines.
Hi, Sarah. Honestly, my routine is a bit of a mess these days.
That's okay. Let's start with the morning. I wake up at 6 a.m., stretch, and open the curtains. I love the sunlight.
6 a.m.? No way. I'm a night owl. My alarm rings at 7:30, and I hit snooze again and again.
That happens to many people. What do you do after you wake up?
Coffee. Strong black coffee. No sugar, no milk. Just survival.
I like coffee too, but I drink it with almond milk. I also write my goals for the day.
Wow, that sounds very organized.
That sounds stressful. I take the train, and I use that time to listen to a podcast or practice English.
I wish I had that discipline. I'm always late. I grab toast and eat it in the car.
I understand. I use a simple rule. Do the hardest task first.
That's smart. My workday is full of emails and meetings. It's exhausting.
Yes. When I finish it early, I feel relaxed for the rest of the day.
Oh, I've heard about that.
Also, take short breaks. I walk for 5 minutes every 2 hours. It helps a lot.
I should try that, instead of checking my phone every morning.
Yes. When I finish it early, I feel relaxed for the rest of the day.
Lunch is my favorite time. I go out with my colleagues. Good food and laughs help me continue the day.
Also, take short breaks. I walk for 5 minutes every 2 hours. It helps a lot.
At 3 p.m., I feel very sleepy. I need another coffee.
Nice. I prefer light food. I bring a healthy salad from home.
Good idea. What do you do after work?
Try green tea. It gives you energy without stress.
I usually order food and sit on the sofa, scrolling on my phone.
I cook something simple. I listen to music and relax. It helps me switch to home mode.
Really? No phone at all?
That's why you feel tired. I stop using my phone at 9:30 p.m.
I'll try that tonight. Maybe.
Yes, I read a book and sleep at 10:30. What about you?
Good food, no stress, and enough sleep. So, let's talk about weekends. What do you usually do, Sarah?
Good question. I like to plan my weekends a little.
Really? I don't plan anything. I just wake up late and see what happens.
That sounds relaxing, but also a bit unproductive.
Exactly. I feel like I waste a lot of time on my phone.
That happens to many people. I try to plan at least one useful activity.
Like what?
Sometimes I read, sometimes I learn something new, or even clean my space.
Cleaning? That doesn't sound fun.
It actually helps clear your mind.
Okay. What about exercise? Do you work out regularly?
Yes, I try to exercise 3 times a week.
I always say I'll start, but I never do.
Start small. Even 10 minutes a day is enough.
Maybe I can try that. Let me ask you something. What's one bad habit you want to change?
Good question. Sometimes I work too much and forget to rest.
Really? You seem very organized.
I try, but no one is perfect.
For me, it's definitely using my phone too much.
That's very common.
Yeah, I check it all the time.
Try simple rules. For example, no phone during meals.
That sounds difficult, but I'll try. Another problem? I don't sleep well.
I can see that.
I stay up late and wake up tired.
Try to sleep at the same time every day.
I'll try, starting tonight. So, what makes a perfect day for you?
A productive morning, a calm afternoon, and a relaxing evening.
That sounds really nice.
What about you?
Good food, no stress, and enough sleep. I think I need to change my routine.
You don't need big changes. Small steps are enough.
Yeah, small habits can make a big difference.
Exactly.
Wait, before we finish, I have one more question.
Sure. What is it?
What about exercise? Do you work out regularly?
Yes, I try to exercise 3 times a week.
Really? I don't exercise at all.
That's okay. You can start small.
Like going to the gym?
Not necessarily. Even a short walk is a great start.
Just walking?
Yes. Even 10 minutes a day can make a big difference.
That actually sounds easy.
It is. The important thing is to stay consistent.
Maybe I can start today.
That's a great decision.
I hope I can stay consistent this time.
Don't worry. It's not about being perfect. It's about trying.
That makes me feel better.
Let's talk about something important. Motivation.
Oh, I lose motivation very quickly.
That's normal. Everyone feels that way sometimes.
So, how do you stay motivated?
I don't always feel motivated. I just stay disciplined.
What's the difference?
Motivation comes and goes, but discipline keeps you going.
That's interesting.
For example, I don't always feel like exercising, but I do it anyway.
That sounds hard.
It is at the beginning, but it gets easier with time.
I think I rely too much on motivation.
Try to build small habits instead.
Like what?
Simple things. Wake up at the same time. Drink water. Move your body.
That sounds manageable.
Also, don't try to change everything at once.
Yeah, I always do that, and then I fail.
Exactly. Start with one habit, then add another.
I like that idea.
And remember, progress is better than perfection.
I need to hear that.
Let's talk about something fun.
Finally! What is it?
Rewards.
Rewards?
Yes. When you do something good, reward yourself.
Like what?
Watch a movie, eat your favorite food, or just relax.
I like that system already.
It makes building habits more enjoyable.
That makes sense. You know what? I feel more motivated now.
I'm glad to hear that.
So maybe tomorrow, I'll wake up earlier.
That's a great start.
And I'll try to move more during the day.
Perfect.
And maybe less phone before sleep.
That will help a lot.
Okay, I'm ready to change my routine.
Step by step, you can do it.
So, improving your daily routine doesn't have to be hard.
Exactly. Small habits can change your whole day.
Better sleep, less phone, and maybe some exercise.
Step by step, you can build a better routine.
So guys, what about you?
Do you exercise regularly?
Or are you still trying to start like me?
What's one habit you want to improve?
Is it sleep, exercise, or using your phone?
Tell us in the comments.
And if you want to improve your English in a simple way,
Don't forget to subscribe and join us.
we post easy, real-life English conversations.
See you in the next video.